Mastering proximity and active listening. Boost your conversational English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting aspect of conversational English that goes beyond words: nonverbal communication and active listening. Specifically, we're going to talk about proximity. Proximity isn't just about space. It plays a crucial role in understanding, engagement, and connection during conversations. So, let's get started. Proximity refers to the physical distance between people when they communicate. Different cultures and people have different comfort zones, but generally, in English-speaking cultures, we recognize four primary zones: public, social, personal, and intimate. 1. Public distance is for public speaking, and it's generally 12 feet or more. 2. Social distance is used in casual social situations and ranges from 4 to 12 feet. 3. Personal distance is for close friends and family members and is typically between 1.5 and 4 feet. 4. Intimate distance is for very close, personal relationships and is less than 1.5 feet. In conversational English, the social and personal distances are most commonly used. Active listening isn't just about using our ears. It's also about using our bodies. Proximity plays a major role in this. Adjusting your proximity according to the conversation can express engagement and empathy. If someone is sharing something personal or important, leaning in slightly or reducing your distance may show you are genuinely interested and respectful. But remember, don't invade personal space too much, as it could make the other person uncomfortable. Balance is key. Cultural differences play a significant role in the preferred proximity during conversations. Some cultures are comfortable with closer proximity, while others prefer a bit more personal space. Even though our focus is on English-speaking cultures, as a proficient speaker, you should be aware and respectful of cultural differences in proximity. This can enhance your communication skills, not just in English, but in any language. And that's a wrap on our discussion about proximity and active listening. Remember, mastering nonverbal communication like proximity can significantly enhance your conversational skills and overall English fluency. Practice observing and using appropriate proximity in your conversations. And as always, respect and comfort should be your guiding principles. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll continue to explore the fascinating world of English language learning.